my gosh, Pascal. Today's the day! The day of the lanterns. I still don't know why they let these out every year on my birthday. But I just can't wait for today. That was my favorite day of the year. We can't forget about yesterday. You know, the intruder. Though he was kind of weird, he was also pretty cute, charming. Flynn. Yeah, that's his name. Flynn said that he would help me get out of the tower if I give back his tiara. It sounds like a good deal to me. Win-win. Like, I get to steal a moment in the sun, and he gets his tiara back. Pretty good deal. We had to come before Mother comes. He did say he would come around sunset. If only the sun would set. A night out? A night out of the tower? Oh my gosh! A night out with the stars, lanterns, and Flynn? He's just so cute. Please, Finn, please come quick. I hope one day Flynn could be my light. My light to freedom, and maybe my light to love. I rearranged my entire day for this boy. And where is he? He's nowhere to be found. I mean, it's not like I had anything planned anyways, but still, like,
Okay, now I'm getting worried.
Any minute now. I see no sign of him and Maximus. I mean, I guess he really isn't late because the sun hasn't set yet, but come on, please hurry.
Oh my gosh,
I just can't. I'm so excited. It's like the day before Christmas when I get all my bows and brushes.
I'm gonna start settling down now.
But I'll wait. In the meantime, I'll just brush my hair. You know, the intruder? Oh my goodness, Pascal. Today's the day.
Honestly, who was I talking to? Let me know.
But I'll wait. In the
I was honestly ready to fight my hair. You survived. I'm proud. Yes, you survived my video. Let's go.